Good morning to all of you. I am Pooja Singh, faculty SARTX department. Today I am going to discuss about illumination. So, as we know, illumination that means the amount of light falling in the surface and surface get bright is known as illumination. So, what is light? Light is a medium by which we are able to see. Sensitivity of eye, as we know, the sensitivity of eyes is lie between 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, and basic definition of illuminations. So this is the relation between E and I. What is E? E is illumination and I is the intensity, luminous intensity. As we know, E is equals to F upon A, where F is stands for flux and A is area, and I is equal to F upon solid angle. So if we are going to put the value of solid angle, then E is equals to I I and solid angle upon area, but solid angle is equals to A upon R square, as we know. So illumination is equals to I upon R square, but this equation is applied for only perpendicular surface area. If we have any kinds of irregular surface area, this equation are not apply. So this next point is mean spherical candle power. Mean spherical candle power, a unit of measure that represent the average output of light source measured in all direction 360 degree. So mean spherical candle power is always calculate in all direction. So the flux setup in all direction is known as mean spherical candle power. Next is mean hemispherical candle power. This is equal to 180 degree and usually used for lower one. So it is given by the total flux emitted in hemisphere divided into solid angle subtended at the point sourced by the hemisphere, and the value of it is equal to total flux upon 2 pi. So one most important topic point is mean horizontal candle power, that is not shown here. So this is always equal to all direction, all in any particular direction of horizontal is known as mean has horizontal candle power. So this is the reduction factor. Reduction factor of a source of light is the ratio of mean spherical candle power to the mean horizontal candle power. That means MSCP upon MHCP is equals to is always equal to reduction factor. That means mean spherical candle power upon mean horizontal candle power is always equal to reduction factor. So space height ratio, the value of space height ratio is lies between 0.8 to 1.5, and the space height ratio is defined as the ratio of horizontal distance between adjustable lamp and the height of their mounting. So next is utilization factor. It is defined as the ratio of total lumens reaching on working along the total lumen given out the lamp. So it is always 100% for regular surface and having some difference for irregular surface. So this is maintenance factor, and the value of maintenance factor is lies between 0.6 to 0.8, and it defines the ratio of illumination in under normal working condition to the illumination under everything is clean. So this is the depreciation factor, and the depreciation factor is the ratio of illumination when the things are perfectly clean to the illumination under normal condition, and the value is depreciation factor is always greater than 1. This is waste light factor. Waste light factor, whenever the surface illuminated by a number of lamp, there is certain amount of wastage due to overlapping of light. Waste light factor has a value of 1.2 for rectangular area and 1.5 for irregular area mounted as the states. So statues. If we are talking about regular area, the value of waste light factor is 1.2, and irregular area like statue, poles, and any irregular place, the value is approx 1.5. Next one is absorption factor. Absorption factor, it varies from 0.5 to 1. When the atmosphere is full of snow and smoke flame, it absorbs some light. Hence absorption factor may be defined as the ratio of net lumen available on the working plane after absorption to the total lumens emitted by the lamp. So this this is all basic definitions of illumination. Next part we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.